So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can deactivate your Threads account temporarily or permanently, whatever the reason may be for deactivating, but I will teach you how you can do so. And if you deactivate your Threads account permanently, it won't be appeared anywhere in the search results or suggestions of your friends or anywhere else. So whether you want to deactivate it temporarily or permanently, you first of all have to open the Threads app, and next you have to hop into your profile button available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next you gotta tap on this double line option available in the top right corner of your Threads screen. So tap on this double line, and after that you gotta tap on the account option, which is the fourth one in this list. So tap on account, and the second option in this list again is deactivate profile. So tap on deactivate profile, and here it asks for confirmation that are you sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile. And if you tap on deactivate Threads profile and confirm deactivating, then your Threads profile will be deactivated and it won't appear anywhere. Now it has been deactivated, and if you want to reactivate it again, you have to simply log in your Threads account using your Instagram username and it will be activated again. So that's how you deactivate or reactivate the Threads account. Now if you want to see that how you can completely or permanently delete the Threads profile, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.